Hey guys, how you doing? Absalam here, as usual. In this video, we're going to talk about how you can subtitle faster with your mobile phone, just like this, with this. So let's get to it.
Okay guys, so we're going to be using this app called InShots. It's free and it's really awesome. I've used it multiple times and I enjoy using it totally. So yeah, we're going to be using this video. Okay guys, so this is the video we're going to be using, and yeah, let me play.
Hey guys, how you doing? Absalam here, as usual. In this video, we're going to talk about how you can subtitle faster with your mobile phone, just like this, with this. So let's get to it.
Okay, so we're going to use this text effects here, and let's say, so we started with "Hey guys." That's you need to know what you said. "Hey guys." Now I don't like these fonts. InShot has multiple fonts you can use, and you can also import fonts from your phone. So for subtitles, I rather use effects like Roboto regular or Roboto medium, but let's use regular. And now we can change the effects of the fonts, the border, reduce it. It's not that fine. I guess we use a shadow. Okay, yeah, shadow is good. But what we should use here should be a label at the back. I mean, it just depends on you guys. I think label is not that. I don't like that. Just here something. I think this is what we're gonna use. Even though this shadow is somehow ugly. Just off it. Yeah. So that's it now. We started with "Hey guys."
Hey guys, how you doing?
Okay, so that's it then.
Hey guys.
You see, yeah. So you like to be fast. What I normally do, you drag all the way down here, like yes. Then you bring it to lower third here, make it visible and also readable. Okay, you know how make it do too much. Like now,
Hey guys,
hey guys, now split. Come here now, edit. How are you doing?
how you doing?
Fit again.
Absalam here, as usual.
So now in order not to make this video too long, I'm going to fast forward it and I will show you how it looks like.
Hey guys, how you doing? Absalam here, as usual. In this video, we're going to talk about how you can subtitle faster with your mobile phone, just like this, with this.
If
So
you
let's
are
get to
enjoying
it.
this video, a sub to the
And
channel would
that's
be
it.
really
Isn't that
appreciated.
easy?
Okay, full screen back. Yeah, and that's true. If you want to save it, you go to save. You go to resolution 1080p 70. I use 1080 26 MB, then save it. Boom.
And that's it, guys. So if you enjoyed this tutorial, make sure you like, subscribe, and subscribe to the channel. That would be really awesome. And tell me what you want to see next. I really need some ideas. Boom.